Okay, this is the typical breakfast for a macaw. That's part of it. Just enough water in there to moisten it. It'll absorb real quick. What we have here are 3 different grains of oat, some dried fruit, and these are rowdy bush pellets. I'm really just trying to get rid of them. They don't like them. We're eating Harrison's now. Now, since these are macaws, they need a higher degree of nuts. These are unsalted cashews. I save these for the second meal of the day, which is more oats, but that's not all they get. So I don't want anybody thinking that. It just takes a minute or two to... It's actually just enough moist. Okay. What we're going to do here is add you can see the inside of our refrigerator. This is part of their daytime food. That's carrots. There's peas and corn. And right now we're going for the applesauce. A little bit of applesauce in there. Okay, maybe a half a teaspoon altogether. This is the iPhone camera. Try putting it down. Somebody out there invent a stand. Oh, by the way, just in case you're wondering, this is the appropriate size cage for a blue and gold or larger macaw. Hello, Sadie. Hello. A cage should be big enough for a macaw to move around with their wings outstretched and not touch any of the sides. Can your cage do that? Even if they're out of cage a lot, which they are, they have to be able to move like that. This is a cage for a little macaw, mini macaw, or an Amazon, or any of those. Can't think of the words, but that's Cookie. She's a severe or chestnut fronted. What you gonna say? Hi. Say hi, Cookie. Hello. Oh, thanks. Hello. Hi, Sadie. Hi. Nice big cage. Would you want to live in a closet in your bedroom? I don't think so. Ah, wow. Thank you. Alrighty. I'm going to put this down. But, you see, yes, they eat it.